This particular Ritter R9H-60 is an enigma. Why? Well, it is basically a US Concepts CHA-8 Hauncher with a 60-inch front fence with 4 stops and different hold-downs, making it a beaded face frame hauncher when used with the included tooling. Many of the R9H-60s also only have a 7.5 horsepower motor, where this one has a 230-volt 3-phase 10 horsepower motor. The spindle is 40 millimeters and can accept tooling up to 8 inches in width.